In this video, we'll show you how to replace your clipper blade with the T1000 Echo Fixed Fade Blade and the Shallow Tooth 2.0 set. We'll be using the GAMMA Xceed clipper as our example, so let's get started. To start, unscrew your current blade and carefully remove it from the clipper. Next, you'll remove the cutter and the cam follower. Gently pop the cam follower out of the cutting blade and set it aside because you'll be using this later. To change the spring, start by removing the lever, unscrew it carefully, keeping track of the track pin inside, then slide the stretch bracket off. Remove the spring, then slide the new spring into place. Once the new spring is in place, slide the stretch bracket back on top, align the lever, and screw it back into place, making sure it's secure. For a tip, hold the lever firmly while tightening to keep the track pin from falling out. And then we'll snap the cam follower back into the cutting blade, align the cam follower holes with the spring prongs, place the blade on the cutter, and align the screw holes with the holes on the stretch. Tighten the screws, make sure the moving blade and the fixed blade stay on properly and they're aligned. Just like that, you're done.